Hi guys, I have not done a video in over like 2 months I think. I have been very busy. Okay, so I made slime on what day that was? Sunday, right? I made Saturday. Went to sleepover, right? And it was like glittery slime, and it was blue. And I add it baking soda because it wouldn't stretch that much, right? And I messed it up, and now it's feel like guts. Like it feels like literally I'm putting my hand in guts, and this is a slime fail. Like it was like pretty good. It was stretchy, but I want to be a Dumbo and add that baking soda in. Just messed it all up, and feels like guts. Like it can't. Oh my god! Like look at it. It feels like I'm holding guts. Ugh. Look at it.
Why would I shoot that?
Be back. I'm gonna wash my hands. Hold up.
Oh my god.
Guess I'm gonna stop a bit. Gotta pick up this mess right here. Okay. Yeah, so that happened. So like, subscribe, and share this video, and yeah.